will like your coffee and give you reviews as a country and talk about you. In the next 5 years, that 10% that will talk about you will market Ugandan coffee more than pouring billions of money
for the advertisers.
Obwabeera tayayira haikoreri wanyarasimira ba Inspire Africa habo kwebembere hurriyo mwebembezi w'ihanga yo kwongera umutinda ha bintu ebirkorwa mu ihanga.
We are here to see what exactly the government investment done, and we see the factory that we expect to see that we started investing in last 2 years back. How far have we gone in this facility? How is it going to support the farmers? What kind of equipment is being installed here?
Okurigirira harwanyera government ecwire mu kutandika kwereza amakorro sente nko muringo gwo kutungura amakorro.
And just in this area, we're looking at value addition in our key export products. Coffee is a key export. Coffee is known across the country, in all the regions of the country. And at the moment, we are not really exporting value-added products. We are mainly exporting the beans, even though there are some few private sector, some physical industry who are also exporting already the one that is in powder form.
Atiyo Nelson Tugume orumukuru wa Inspire Africa Group nuko kusima mukuru w'ihanga abo kuranzya hari akashagika amakorro
kusima na government ya Uganda kandi nyongiro kusima mnonga kwa president witu Yoweri Museveni aha muri mu muhango gwatire omukofi value addition kugira ngo ihanga tubase adding a value aha mwana gwitu konka n'ikindi tubase kusigaza value mu ihanga gwitu kandi ejo kimanyisa ngo abana binja bahereze university abana binja bashomere nibaza kongera kugira emirimo omu ihanga.
Factory egi mu mwaka gw'ebyesente ogu eheirwe biliyoni 5 konka kurigirira hari Nelson Tugume sente zirikwetagwa zikiri nyingi.
Ziherize tuyamba kuba supported especially in this last financial budget year murebere urize kubaho biliyoni 5 nezo kuzomba farmers oguromani ebyome mwareba kumarizo murumo so that nkihanga tubase adding a value to the next step.
Ikintu cyo mucyashikira n'abanyayuganda n'abantu twakwatanisa na company ya Inspire twabasa kubahereza umwana gwitu bagukoramo ekitero kwenda cyo kwamba bakora za scrub bakora yo kunywa cold brew bakora y'isano mbe exporting biguza hewe ibeyi yongera ahabo kuba mu Uganda tubetine cyoma icyo gukora umwana wo kikagwa exporting.
Person yashaba government kongera kushagika ubuhingi mu ihanga kurebeka ngo abanya-Uganda bayongera hantasya
urwezo rukwiro mu mataka gitwa gutukinga mu mwana mbwe no kubona umwana umurungi screen 18 twino kumakinga sure ngo ba farmer twatandika kubateka mu ekijumisa twatandika kubateka mu rwezo na fertilizer kwiyaho ni shabaka nintera umuranga gwa government ngo ntubasa kugira factory ezukubasa tutandika gukora fertilizer ukatwina amashaminje nani mba example twine 10 million tons mu region ya Karamoja yonka ezitine kizukora.
Gasha kwa Gerard Tuguma wa Sky Television agenshonga omuri ntungamo.